Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am heading to IKEA and I thought I'd take you with me. Let's go. One of the first things I'm grabbing today is this foldable mat. The reason I'm grabbing this is that because we're going to use those for therapy sessions with my younger son at home because he's got a disability and they're much cheaper. Next up, I have been after a new sift after the one I had at home broke after about 15 years. So I'm going to get this one here, I reckon. I've been looking at these for a while and I think they look pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. Then I've been looking at these ones. I've been wanting these for a while. They are like oil and vinegar bottles and they are so much easier to portion out with the little spout. So I thought I'd have a look at these. And yeah, I think they look pretty cool and they look really nice up on my shelf as well. So I'm going to grab one of these, I think. I just love going through IKEA, the kitchen section. I have to seriously hold myself back from grabbing everything I can see on the shelves. There are so many cool stuff here. I want one of those big drink dispensers as well. I thought I might make kombucha in one of those. But yeah, I'm in heaven in here. I really am. Next up is this swivel chair, which is going to be another therapy item for my son. I've been looking at these for a while. They are great for him to lock himself away when he needs a little bit of privacy, and he also likes to spin around, so this will be perfect. And we just need another one of these because the one we've had for probably 10 years, I reckon, and it needs to be changed out. I also looking for some artificial plants for the top of my wooden shelves in my kitchen. I'm going to go artificial on the top there because it's really high up and it's just not somewhere I'm going to want to climb up on a chair every time I need to water a plant. So I thought I might grab this one plus another couple. Now, what do you guys think of these things? I quite like them. In the area, I don't know if you noticed behind where I do behind my kitchen island where I do my cooking and everything, I got a pretty empty space and I'm looking for something to put there. I thought something with I can put some plants or something. Maybe one of these. I don't know. What do you think? You reckon I should get like a thin like table or something to put plants on? And here we go, I'm back home now with some of the stuff I bought. I thought I'd show you what I got for myself first. So I did end up getting the vinegar and oil dispensers. I thought these little bottles are super cute and it's going to be so much easier to portion out when I need it for vinaigrettes, salad dressings and stuff like that. So I thought I'd get those. I also ended up getting some teaspoons because I don't know about you guys, but my household, I'm sure someone eats them because they disappear. So I needed a whole bucket load of new ones. Then I got this, it's like a bowl but not overly deep. I thought this would be really cool to do like salads and stuff because I reckon it will really pop in that plate and they'll look really cool on camera. So I thought I'd grab that. And hopefully you guys will be seeing that in some upcoming videos. Then I'll show you the plants that I got. So you saw I had a look at this one that I'm going to put on top of my shelf. So I got that one plus a little pot to go with it. I thought that pot was a bit cute. It's like a ceramic one. So yeah, and I quite like that one. And then I also got this one. I just love the hanging. I like the colour of the leaves on this one. That's also going to go on top of that shelf. I actually like getting mismatched pots. I don't like having everything absolutely identical. So yeah, they're both going to go up the top shelf there. As you can see, I'm still sort of working out what to put on there. I've just got some random things at the moment. So I'll put that long one just at the very edge there by the window, and that can sort of cascade down. Then I've got this one. This is actually a real one. So this is one of their succulents. Unfortunately, I managed to break off one of the little leaves, but one of those should be able to grow a whole lot of plants. So I thought I might whack that in a pot, and I'm going to put that in my bathroom. Then I ended up getting that little sifter that I saw. I think that is really cool because I don't have to sort of spread it all around and all over the place. And of course, at the end, I had to go through the food section. I got 2 of the cream sauce. I've got 2 bags of meatballs because my husband and my kids and everyone, we love them. I am a sucker for the cold water prawns, or shrimp. So I got one of those, and I got some more lemon jam as well. And that was what I got for sort of the family. And I'll show you what I got sort of for therapy. Now, here is the little mat that I got. I haven't pulled it all the way out, but I thought it'd give you an idea. So you can see it folds up really well. So it stores away really well. It's so much cheaper than like those mats from the specialty stores as well. Then, as I say, I got the little step stool for the bathroom because the one we had is really old and it had a good crack in it as well. And I also did end up getting that swivel chair, but I showed you that at the shops, so I'll leave it at that. And there's my shelf. What do you reckon? I've moved a few things around. I added some glass jars up the top. I added my plants, and I think it's starting to look really pretty. I hope you enjoyed this little IKEA haul with me. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you again next time.